Hi, my name's Victoria from Hot Wire Foam Factory, and today we're going to do 3D pattern design and sculpting. Put just a little bit of glue on the pattern piece just to help stay in place. Turn on my knife. Now once you have all your cat parts cut out, you're going to glue them all together. See, we have our legs, our main cat body, and then our outside body. So you can see how the design is sliced up. We continue on with our legs. So once you have your cat all glued together, you're going to decide where you want to sculpt. You can take a pen and draw lines to where you'd like your pieces to be. I like to start my sculpting with our sculpting tool. I use the precision craft wire. I'm going to adjust my heat down a little bit so I can do more precise slices. The lower the heat, the more precise the slice, the less sanding you'll have to do in the end. Now as you get sculpting a little more, you see the cat starting to take shape. And what you're going to try to do is get rid of the flat edges as much as you can. Now you can also take your freehand router, switch over to your Pro Jack, and you can do little internal sculpts. Give the paw a little more contour. You can even use the precision engraving tool. Switch back to that craft power. And you'd engrave in some details into the face. You can engrave in the nose. Now once you're done with all your sculpting, you can take some sandpaper, either the sponge block, some flat sandpaper. Don't forget your mask. And try to go one direction so you don't take as many chunks out. Use the finer piece to get into more crease areas. Thank you so much for joining us here with Hot Wire Foam Factory. Once again, my name's Victoria. Enjoyed spending this time with you. Make sure when you do your sculptures, post them on our Facebook and Instagram page and tag Hot Wire Foam Factory. Thank you so much.